Welcome back to this week's episode. My name is Noah Ward, your Sarasota real estate agent, and today we are switching it up a little bit. Instead of our typical new construction, real estate development videos talking about, why new construction is so attractive right now in the Sarasota Northport markets, we're going to be switching up just a little bit, but we are still talking about new construction. And today we are going to be doing a house tour here in the brand new construction community of Artistry, which is located east of I-75. Specifically today, we are going to be looking at the Monet II. So Artistry is built by Kolter Homes. So if you guys don't know what Artistry is, it is, a more of a luxury track house builder. You typically see like Neil Communities, MI Homes, Taylor Morrison, all those. But the difference here is that Kolter prioritizes a lot of room, right? So all their lots are deeper. The width between the houses are a lot more compared to all these other track home builders. And what I like is that they prioritize all these houses to be on water. So you have at least some sort of water view instead of looking at your next door neighbor through your backyard, or if you have a pool, being in your pool and you can wave to your next door neighbor from your backyard. So that's what I kind of like about Kolter and kind of the different finishes, right? So they go above and beyond. They add extra windows in the houses. They do taller ceilings, for example. So they do a lot of extra upgrades into the standard features of the house. So I'm super excited to bring to you this 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, just about 3,500 square feet in total. It is a 2-story floor plan. But before we show you this first, whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days here in Sarasota, coming from Wisconsin myself, I know that I had a lot of questions. So what I've done is I've created a buyer's relocation guide for you guys. I'll throw it up right here. Link is down in the description, and it's 100% free guide. It tells you like the top things to do here in Sarasota, where to go, where to eat, where are the best places to stay when you're vacationing in Sarasota, and so much more. So go and check that out if you guys are looking to move to Sarasota. And it's really coming from a person that has lived in Sarasota, so it's coming from a Sarasota resident's eyes. So be sure to go and check that out. So with all that being said, let's go and share with you the Monet II. This gated new construction community is located just east of I-75, and when you live here, you'll have access to resort-style pools, state-of-the-art fitness center, basketball, pickleball courts, walking trails, and so much more. Here at Artistry, you will find that nearly every house has a stunning water view, and on top of that, these lots that these houses are sitting on are extra wide and extra long, unlike a lot of these track house builders here in Sarasota. So if you are looking for a little bit bigger of a pool, maybe a little bit more of a fenced-in yard, maybe you have a furry family member, this is a perfect community for you. So this Monet II floor plan that we're taking a look at today is perfect if you just want a little bit more extra room for your family to spread around in. And really, this floor plan is known for its functionality and flexibility aspects, as it is a 2-story. So with this model, you can really personalize the Monet II floor plan with different structural options, including you have 3 different siding exterior options. You can either have a 3 or 4 car expanded garage, so it's great for a larger family. Maybe you are a car person, you absolutely love cars. This is a perfect floor plan for you. Plus, you can get an extended covered lanai with a summer kitchen. And there's a few other options that you can choose from structurally, but these are kind of the more common options that a lot of people choose from, right? So now that we've given you a little bit more of an overview of what the Monet II is all about, sit back, enjoy this video, and we will see you guys all at the end of the video. So as we wrap up this house tour of the Monet II floor plan, if you have any questions about this house or even the artistry community in general, we are more than happy to answer any and all of your questions, so feel free to reach out to us at any time. And also, if you are looking to move into the Sarasota area, don't forget to check out our 100% free guide that we have down in the description down below, where you guys can learn more about the Sarasota area without actually having to book a flight to visit. So with all that being said, we look forward to seeing you guys all next week on our upcoming video.